In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add chat widget to GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have a fully customized chat widget saved inside your sub-account and ready for use across your sites and funnels. Start by signing into your GoHighLevel account and switching into the correct sub-account or location. Using the right location matters because widgets are saved per sub-account. If you don't see the options covered here, double-check that your user role has access and that the left menu isn't collapsed. From the left-hand menu, open Sites. This is the hub for your websites and funnels, and it's also where the chat tools live. Inside Sites, select Chat Widget. Here you'll see any widgets you've already created, along with controls to build a new one. To make a fresh widget, click New in the top right corner. If you're prompted to name it, choose a clear internal name like Main Website Chat, so your team can recognize it later. Next, you'll be shown a set of widget types or layouts. Pick the style that best fits your goals. For general support and lead capture, a standard website chat bubble is a safe choice. If a preview is available, hover or click to see how each option will feel on a page. When you're ready, select the one you want to open the builder. In the builder, customize the look and behavior so it matches your brand and site experience. Align colors with your brand palette and aim for strong contrast to keep text readable. Choose the on-page position. Bottom right is common, but use bottom left if other widgets or banners compete for space. If there's an avatar or logo setting, upload a clean, square image to build instant recognition. You can also fine-tune behavior like whether the widget starts open or appears after a short delay, striking a balance between visibility and a non-intrusive experience. As you go, preview on both desktop and mobile to confirm spacing and readability. Be sure to personalize the title and intro. Keep the title short and direct, like Chat with Us. In the intro, set expectations in a friendly sentence or two. Explain what help visitors can get and typical reply times. If you plan to ask for a name or email, mention the benefit so people know why you're asking. Keep language conversational and use emojis sparingly to maintain clarity. When you're happy with the design and copy, click Save at the top right. Saving locks in your changes and refreshes the preview. If updates don't appear immediately, give the preview a moment or reload it. That's all it takes to create and customize a GoHighLevel chat widget and save it inside your sub-account.